In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom meeting links to Google Calendar events. It's a straightforward process that will streamline setting up your meetings and ensuring all participants have the correct access details. To get started, open up your browser and head over to Google Calendar. Once there, if you're not already signed in, click on Sign In. You'll need to enter your Google account credentials, which is typically your email and password. After typing those in, hit Enter or click Next to log into your account. With your Google Calendar open, look to the right side panel and search for a small plus button. This is where you'll manage add-ons for Google Calendar. Once you click on this button, a search bar will appear. Type in Zoom and hit search. You'll see the Zoom add-on pop up. Go ahead and click on it. Now you're on the Zoom add-on page. Here, you'll want to click on Install to add this feature to your Google Calendar. A new window might pop up asking for confirmation. Simply click on Continue. You'll be prompted to choose the appropriate Google account if you have multiple. Select the one you're using with your calendar. Once you've selected your account, Google will ask for permission to integrate with Zoom. These permissions are necessary to link your Zoom and Google Calendar, allowing them to communicate seamlessly. Click Allow to proceed, and then you should see an option to click Done. Do that to finalize the installation. Now that you have the Zoom add-on installed, look back at the right side panel of Google Calendar and find Zoom again. Click on it and then hit Sign In. You'll need to enter your Zoom credentials, which would be your Zoom account, email, and password. Once signed in, you might be asked to allow Zoom to connect with your Google account. Go ahead and click Allow. You're almost done. Your next step is to create a new event on your Google Calendar. Start by clicking on any date to create an event and then select Event. Enter all the usual details for your event, like the event name, date, time, and any additional notes. For more options, click More Options to customize your event further. Here's the exciting part. On the event page, look at the right side panel and you'll see an option to ADD Meeting under the Zoom add-on. Click this and a Zoom meeting link will automatically be generated for your event. When you're satisfied with all your event details, simply click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Zoom with your Google Calendar events, making virtual meetings convenient and easy. Whether it's for business meetings or personal catch-ups, this integration ensures that everyone's on the same page with just one click. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tech tutorials.